The 2010 Routan. Ladies and gentlemen, start your families. The Routan boom has begun. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, front, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, cruise control, FWD, compass, passenger airbag, trip computer, heated driver's seat, remote power door locks, power windows, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, heated passenger seat, power heated outside mirrors, rear parking aid. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.